Hello everyone, welcome to Food for Thought Dom Gamut, a math and cooking tutorial.
Have a wonderful day to everyone. In this video we're going to find the value of y. With this given equation, y to the power of y equals to 4 to the power of y plus 16. Stay tuned to find out the unknown value of y. Happy learning! Therefore, the value of y equals to 16 that we obtained is the solution of the given equation that based on the checking. Obviously, both sides are equal.
If you liked, enjoyed, and learned from this video, consider subscribing to my channel, like, share, and hit the bell for more exciting math topic video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day to everyone. Happy learning!